Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic for today's video is how I can send mass invitations to my friends on Temu app. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Guys, do not skip the video if you want to understand the whole process. Let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see there's this icon of Temu app on my screen. I'll click it. After clicking it, brings me to this home page. You can see there's this option of you at the bottom of my screen. I'll click it. After clicking this option, I have this option of earn credits and free gifts. For this, you have to make sure that your region is selected as US. For that, you have to go to settings. After you go to settings, you have this option of country and region. You have to click it. You have to scroll down to find United States in these options and select it. After that, go back. After you go back, you have to select earn credits and free gifts. Guys, after I click this, I have this option of redeem cash. I'll continue. Guys, you can see I have this option of refer friends over here, which I'll click. After clicking this, I can copy the link or copy the code and send it to my friends on WhatsApp, Messenger, Snapchat and other platforms. Guys, this is an easy way which you can use to refer your friends and send them mass invitations. I hope you liked the video and it helped you in any way. Thank you very much. See you once again in another video.